Hi, I'm Chris Palmer. Today I'm going to show you how to mount a scroll saw on a table. A scroll saw is a power tool that needs to be held firmly in place to be used safely and accurately. A lot of power tools are like that, and because of that they come with a base that's pre-drilled with some fastening holes. What you want to do is place your tool on the tabletop where you want to use it and mark with a pencil where those holes fall. Drill the holes and run a carriage bolt with a wing nut through the tool and through the tabletop and tighten it up so that'll hold it firmly in place and it won't move a bit. I placed my tool exactly where I want it to be on my tabletop. Now I trace my holes, making a point where center is if you can. Now I remove the tool out of the way, drill my hole, and now we bolt the tool down to the table. A wing nut is a great idea. The reason we use a wing nut is it's easy to remove in case you want to remove your tool or you're just setting it up for a day or two. There's your carriage bolt with the wing nut. Finally, you want to get an adjustable wrench or a socket on your nut so you can get the nut snugged up good and securely, and your saw should be nice and secure and ready to use. Thanks for joining me. I'm Chris Palmer. That's how you mount your scroll saw.